part of our studies. Please discuss.
Yeah, so I'm much excited to see you. So. I'll be coming there.
Okay. See you then.
Yeah.
That is how body food.
No. Mind is a one thing or one entity. And we feel that, mind experiences the different, things like memory, thoughts, emotions, beliefs, perceptions, desire, personality traits. We think that mind is a one thing or one entity. Destructive emotions. Okay. So these are the basic knowledge we have to understand from the Buddhist perspective. So if you study about the Buddhist mind and consciousness, actually Buddhist psychology, the subject of psychology is very vast and very profound. I don't